In this video, we will learn how to draw pictographs. First up, we need data that can be represented in the form of a pictograph. Suppose we have these two tables. The first one shows the number of students absent in each class on 11th February. And the second one shows the number of students present in each class on the same day. Notice that the number of students absent are much smaller than the number of students present in each class. This will affect the way we draw our pictograph. Let us focus on the first table. We can start drawing the pictograph by drawing two perpendicular lines like this. We have two columns in the table, one for the classes and the other one for the number of students. It is our choice to decide which column is represented horizontally and which one is represented vertically. Let us represent the classes on the horizontal ray and the number of students on the vertical ray. We can represent one student by one happy smiley face. This is called the scale of the pictograph. Since a total of 3 students were absent in class 1, hence we can represent the same by 3 smileys. Similarly, we will have 5 smileys for class 2, 4 smileys for class 3, and so on till we reach class 8th, where we have 7 absentees. There we have it. Our pictograph is ready. Let's move to our second table. But here, let us represent the number of students on the horizontal ray and classes on the vertical ray. Again, we'll start with the two perpendicular rays and their labels. So now we need to decide a scale for the pictograph. Either we can use the same scale as before, but if we do so, we will have an issue. Can you figure out what that issue will be? Okay, so notice the numbers here are larger. So if we keep the same scale, we will need to draw 30 smiley faces just for class 1. That will take a lot of time. Therefore, we need to think about the scale carefully. A solution to this problem will be to use one smiley face to represent more than one students, say 5 students. Then, to represent 30 students of class 1, we will only need 30 divided by 5, that is 6 smiley faces. This is much better than drawing 30 smiley faces. Similarly, we will have 35 divided by 5, that is 7 smileys for class 2. 20 divided by 5, that is 4 smileys for class 3, and so on. Now a question might arise. Is it necessary to have a scale of 5 here? And the answer is no. We can change the scale to any number as long as the number can easily divide most, if not all, the numbers that we need to represent. For example, in the same table, we can choose a scale of 10. Then the new pictograph will look like this. Notice for class 2nd, 4th and 6th, the number of students is not properly divisible by 10. Hence we have used half smiley faces here because 25 divided by 10 will be equal to 2.5, which means there will be 2 full smiley faces and a half smiley.